Welcome back to Barnstorming Garage. Another quick tip and trick. This is something that I've been dealing with on Nicholson, our 79 GMC C3500. The steering, the automatic transmission gear shift lever doesn't move the indicator. So let me show you what's broken and show you what my solution is going to be, because I can't find that part anywhere. All right, so the way this system works is just a string. That's just it. And when you shift the column, right, it moves this collar, and that collar moves that. So when I bought this truck, I have a new shift indicator that I can put on there. But when I went to go do it, I realized this has tangs on it, and you can tell it used to have another one there, and it used to have another one over there. So there were three of them. So what's happening is this is supposed to be there, and now when I engage this, it actually moves the string like it's supposed to. So what I did is I pulled this back. I see I have a solid piece of steel there. It's got a little bit of a divot in there. There's nothing in there other than it's part of the steering mechanism. So my thought is, you can see even here, somebody put JV weld or something in here, hoping that was going to work for a long time. And it didn't work for a long time. So I know that this is right there. So I'm going to take my trusty drill with a bit, and I'm going to drill a hole in there. And then I'm actually going to come back and I'm going to tap it. And I got a little machine screw I'm going to go in there. And then this little cool rubber grommet, it's going to slide over the screw, and you'll never see it. At least that's the hope. And it'll work. It'll shift, and it won't break off because it's metal in the middle. So let's see how well it works. Yeah, so this is a little sheet metal screw I'm going to use. It was from a radio, I think. So let's move this out of the way. And now I'm going to take a Sharpie, because I don't want to be seeing it forever, instead of my paint pens. But now I mark that. Nope, I don't want to mark it there, actually. Now I know where I want that drill to be placed. Try to find the stock locations for the clips, so I have the correct tension on the little nylon string. Okay, so I like that spot. Now can I hold it still and drill a hole? Nope, I can't. I'm left-handed most of the time, except today I gotta be right-handed. I just want to get some of that metal started, and I'll move this out of the way. All right, I am getting metal shavings now. I'll back that out. Okay, good. Okay, well, let me show you what I accomplished so far. Now I've drilled a little tiny hole right there, and there's a little tiny hole right there. And they line up. But now I gotta tap that. Unless, oh, I lost the screw. Unless I'll screw in like this. Sometimes. Oh yeah, I don't even need to tap it. It's going right in. Okay, good. So, let's back this out. Put that right back in there. Only way this is going to fail now is if this plastic collar fractures around the screw. But that shift indicator is not a lot of tension. So just go to where, oh, looks like I might not want to thread the whole way. I just keep feeling it to make sure I'm going down. I want to make it flush. I don't want to strip it out though. Okay, so, oh yeah. How do they say that in Canada? Bob's your uncle? Works right on. All right, so now if I pull this little, okay. All right, so that's what it looks like. They even cut a little notch out of here for that little rubber piece to go over it so it doesn't slide, doesn't move anywhere, and look at that. Now, right where it's supposed to be. Beautiful. Well, that's it. It's another tip and trick from Barnstorming Garage. Thanks so much for joining us. You know, we got 3 new subscribers this week. That's up to 56. Mickey's goal is 100, so keep sharing. Keep inviting your friends to come join us. We love it when you comment. We do read them. We do reply to them. So like, subscribe, give us the thumbs up. We appreciate you. Appreciate all of you. Have a great one. Catch you on the flippity flip.